How to delete all videos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can delete all videos on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to delete all videos on TikTok, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the TikTok application that you can find here. Once you launch the TikTok app and then maybe you come to your profile page, you have uploaded lots of videos in the past and then you want to delete them one after another, or maybe all of them at once. Now one thing you have to understand is that you cannot delete all of these videos at once. The only thing you can do is you can select a certain video that you would like to delete, then make sure to tap the three dots option here, scroll all the way to the right hand side until you see the option called delete, and only when you tap the delete option you should be able to delete them. Now if you're trying to delete all of your videos, then you might as well just delete all of your account itself, because that's the only way to do it. You can tap the three lines option and go to settings and privacy, and then just go to account and then go to deactivate or delete account, and once you've done that you can go to delete account permanently tab and then select a reason and then just tap on continue and make sure to delete your account, because that's the only other solution that you can do. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.